Today on Decker Does a DIY, we're going to see if we can change out this garage door opener. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Garage door opener went out a few weeks ago during the bad storms, and finally get a chance to come out here to take a look at it, see if I can find anything wrong with it, or to see if it needs to be replaced. So that's why we're out here. Just happened to come out to the shop one day and I hit the button for the garage door opener and it wouldn't do anything. So just now got this cover off to see if I can see anything burned up. I can't really tell. So I'm just, at this point, I'm just gonna go to Home Depot and probably get a new one. Before I do that, I need to take this one down. So first you want to unplug the thing. It's out. I don't just need one. Got some needle nose in my pocket. Half inch, bro. And you hold it. Come on. Like that. Okay, guys. At this point, watch your hands. You get grease on.
Look what happened to my hands.
Okay guys, came back with a garage door opener. I don't know if this thing's gonna work or not, but we're gonna try it. Show you what it is. They didn't take that damn alarm thing off. Wonder what happens when you cut that thing off.
You think the cops will come or something?
I don't know. Wait. What do you think's gonna happen to this thing when we cut this alarm, dude?
It's gonna like beep probably.
Okay. I hope it don't.
Let's see.
Let's see what happens. What if the cops come?
Moment of truth.
Oh my God, Brax, get it off, Oh my God, the cops are gonna come get us, bro. Come on, get it off. Here. Beat that thing. Oh my God. Oh, we're lucky. How was it close? Cops would have got us. That's enough, bro. That's enough. Okay, watch. Here, give me a hammer. I don't want you to hit my bike. Thanks to our loving friends out in Home Depot, picked up a Genie Signature Series bold design. Got a 3/4 horse, belt driven. Okay guys, we got everything out of that box. It's like the first thing it wants us to do is start putting a railing together. But here's all the parts that comes with it. Just gonna follow these directions and let's see if we can put her together. Let all these go together. Holes in the same spots on both sides, so looks like it don't matter which way it goes. After you get your railing together, you're going to need this pulley right here, this pin, and this cotter key to go into the end down there. Next, we're going to put this piece on. We put the door arrow needs to go towards the pulley. I guess like that. This is route chain belt assembly, gold threaded shaft around the idler pulley and silver threaded in around the sprocket. Silver threaded in like that. Install the turnbuckle with the door end arrow onto the gold threaded end. Okay, so we'll just leave this right here. Grab the gold threaded end, bring it up here. Next we need to put, it says put this turnbuckle, or is this reverse thread? Yep, it's reverse thread. Can't do that with that on there already. Door gold. This is the release mechanism. You see how it's cut out right there? Go like that, it opens it up in here, allows this to come through and latches just like that. The instructions say you need to screw this on one full turn. So before we get any farther and get this started, one full turn. All right. Now it says screw this side in one full turn. It says you need to tighten this turnbuckle till this belt is holding itself up off of the rail 1/4 of an inch. According to the instructions, it says you need to have this belt 1/4 of an inch from the bottom of the rail. Pair of channel locks, 7/16, so it don't back off. Do the other side. The reverse thread messes me up. Okay, the next step is to assemble the power head. It's right here. Looks like we need to fit this splined drive into this. Looks like it goes in this position, and then the motor comes up from the bottom. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to attach the spline onto our track. So let's go ahead and do that now. It didn't take a lot of force. It lined up just right. Should slide right in there. We got a 7/16 lag bolt, and we got 2 right here. We got a bracket, which is going to go down here, slip it over the belt. Just like that. Bring that up. Secure it onto this. Now need a socket. 7/16 ratchet. Take these down. You know, this. Okay, got that on. Next, we need to install this belt guard. Goes on the back right here. That goes on with 2 looks like 1/8 inch screws. Hey, if y'all ain't subscribed yet, you need to. So let's take a moment right now, go down and subscribe. I'll take me a drink of this bussy juice. Next thing we got to do, this has to get attached to the front of the garage door. Above the garage door, actually. It says 2.5 inches from the center line. So we got to close this garage door and figure out where that is. You're supposed to go on this garage door, you're supposed to mount it 2.5 inches from your highest point of your garage door. This next step, you have to attach the end of your rail onto the wall with this 1.5 pin and key. Alright. Pin in, got the clip in. We secure down there.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. That looks way better. Check and make sure I'm level going across here, and I'm going to tighten up my nuts and bolts. Level enough. Okay, Brax, what we got to do now is put this on in that hole. There's your pin. Slip it through the hole and that piece. Here, I'll hold your piece for you.
Put a little bit more down, yeah. Like
Okay,
that.
now we need to put your clip in. There's a clip, there's a little hole on the side. Get it straight up and down, there. I have to loosen these. That's on the back side. Give me that wrench and electric drill again. Here's the new one, set up same way. You just got your black wire on the left, white wire on the right. Just like that, we'll secure it back to the wall. Okay, now we're down here where spider webs hang out. Like I said, I'm planning on reusing the existing wiring if I can, because I don't want to have to rerun all this stuff. I just have to figure out what wires go to what. I think one of these wires goes to the garage door opener, and I'd say another one comes from the other side, but I'm going to double check and remove the old photo eyes off, and then we'll start wiring this up. Can't really see anything back here, it's so dark, so I'm just going to unhook these wires or the photo cell from the wall. I'm going to start on this side because this is the hardest side to do for me. Here's the new photo eye. Just got 2 terminals on it. I'm going to cut these wires off. I don't think it necessarily says what side's what. It doesn't, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my negative on the farther inside of this photo cell. And I'm going to call my negative the one with the stripe on it. There's 2 wires, 2 white wires. One has a red wire or red line running through it. I'm going to call that my negative. This time I'm going to mount it a little higher so I can at least get my drill impact on here and screw it on. And once I get it on, I'll measure it and then I'll put it the same height on the other side. I'm going to put 1 screw in it now until I get the photo eyes lined up. I got the light bulb covers on. It also says that this thing has some safety feature in it that if something's under the garage door, it'll automatically come back up. Make it go down, and if it hits that 2x4, it should come back up. So it does come back up. Initial thoughts on this thing. Box claims this is a 3/4 horsepower. Whether it is or not, I don't know. I know my last one was a 1/2 horsepower, and it had no problem raising this garage door up and down. Like bogging down or anything like that. I know this is a different type of motor. It's belt driven, nut chain driven. The door's not heavy and everything lines up good. It just seems like the motor just struggles to get this door up and down, but I got a warranty on it, so I'm going to use it till it burns up, I guess. It's not hard to put up. If you're doing a new garage door install, I'm sure it's not hard at all. But taking one out and putting this one in, you have to do quite a bit of adjustments to make this work from your last configuration. I saved some time by using the pre-existing remote wire, but I just had to run one section of wire to the photo cells, to the unit itself. The wiring that they give you, this stuff's junk. So be aware of that. I don't like that wiring at all. Needs to be a thicker gauge wire. It's too thin. Programming it wasn't hard. Once you get it in, it wants you to hold the minus button down until the door shuts, and then you raise it up to where you want it to stop. And when you get it to where you want it to stop raising up, you hit the set button, and then it programs it. The photo eyes seem like they're working right. Haven't tried them out yet. Let's start it up and we'll try it again. Yep. Seem like they're working right. But overall, it goes together good. One thing I did notice, you'll see it when this goes down. The railing that goes through there, watch it. Watch how much that thing flexes. It flexes where those joints are, where it goes together. But even when you go to raise it, watch how much flex is in that thing. Watch this thing pull down. I like the belt drive system. It's definitely quieter. It's not messy. It ain't greasy. It just seems like the motor is a little bit not as tough as the half horsepower that was on here, but we'll see what happens. I mean, it's raising it and closing it just fine. Everything seems to work. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If it helps anybody out, I hope it does. I hope I don't embarrass myself too bad by some of the stuff you probably saw, but you do what you got to do around here, and this is a last minute thing. Yes, you can get this done in a day. Probably takes about 2.5, 3 hours. And there you have it, guys. If y'all could like, subscribe, thumbs up. Got some Sierra parts coming in, so y'all keep an eye out for that, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Easiest way to get that down. Oops.
The lawnmower got it.
Delete that. Now what? I can't get it back up. I hope you paused that.
I can't get that at all.
What the hell is going on? Are you recording this?
Yeah.
Oh my God. What the hell's going on?
There we go.
There it goes. Whatever the hell that was. Let's open it up and see what it says. This thing was $169. Put a 2-year warranty on it just because.
Just in case if it happens again.
Exactly. Looks like I just still part of it. What's wrong with this thing? There. Dang. I bought this with my own money. Wasn't sponsored. Straight on the old Decker account. First impressions. Package pretty crappy. Good as shit's just thrown down in there. Some stupid divider on it. Up on the motor. Now that pack is nice. How that came out. The way the rest of this box is terrible. You can pause it now, dude.